Hey, what's up guys? So we are back at it again for the vlog, and for today's video we are actually having the first show of the year, Import Expo Charlotte. I just left work and I'm gonna go meet with the rest of the guys to set up. I got this new car mount, which is super dope. Got my little mic set up here, hopefully you can hear me. Probably gonna go grab me a matcha because I didn't get to make one this morning. I made one for my wife, but I didn't get to make one for myself, so yeah, you know, she'll be happy. I'm sad she's not here because she's the one recording me, but you know, we just had a baby and stuff, so it's gonna be a little harder for her to come out. Yeah, it's hard for me to get used to that, but yeah, we'll go from there.
Hey there, can we go serve for you?
Yeah, let me get a venti size iced matcha latte made with oat milk.
Matcha made with oat milk. What else for you?
Do y'all have the ham and cheese croissant at the moment?
We do.
Let me get one of those too.
All right.
Thank you. So we are now on the way to meet the guys. I got the goods. It's raining hard as hell, like super hard. We're all on slicks basically. It's kind of scary actually. But I'm on the Yokohama, so you know it's good for me. You know, my shit's right. So you know, all the boys on Toyo's, good luck. Y'all be slipping and sliding, but right now it's I'm going 45, and I should be slipping, but I'm not. So shout out to Yokohama's AL52 babies. Let's go. Coordinating with Sue right now. He's linking me up with everybody else right now. They don't know I'm coming with them. I told him I'll be there at 1, but I'll be there early with them. We're gonna start setting up and stuff. We got my boy Eric looking at me already. Hey! Oh man, look who it is! How are you, bro?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Good, good. Fucking tired. What's up, bud?
You, bro?
I thought you were coming.
I wasn't. The corporate jet picked me up, so
What's up, Karen? Where's Corbin?
He's coming later.
Oh. Oh God, Sue was in there? You got it? That's good enough. They strong. They strong as fuck. God damn. Oh my God. Hey, how are you, bro? Good. Hi. High five. How are you?
How are you?
Good, 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 good.
There's the Bojangles. Oh, get Bojangles. Or the McDonald's. Yeah, that's fine. We'll like some, how many?
Oh, pose. You be alright? I'd rather be those poles than the big poles. I'd rather be those poles though. That's a question for noon.
How many kids?
What's up, guys? So everything's set up. I just changed into that fresh drip, you know. Yeah, and then we're about to do the official start of the show. You'll know exactly what I mean by that.
Oh.
Fire! That's for you. Come on, let's go.
Hell no.
To start it off. Come on. I love y'all. That's why I bought it. Well, come on. Say what you got to say.
I don't know.
No. Hey, this man's a hero. That's all. Y'all don't know he's a hero. Yeah, he's talking about it all day. He's like, yeah, my life. Bro, why y'all so scared? Why y'all so scared?
Yo, because I've never drank this before. But we finna plug it.
No, get one new. Hey,
no, I heard you like it dark.
Hurry.
Get up here.
Hurry. What are you doing?
I already drank it. No, it's still in.
You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Hey,
Good day.
season opener?
Season opener.
Hey, Jay, what you gotta say? What you gotta say, Jay?
Hey, it's a great new year.
Let's go. Bottom.
Yeehaw! Dragon.
There we go, get it down.
No. No, you gotta drink more. Just a little more.
No.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
You got a big throat. Oh my God. Too much seasoning for you?
I'm gonna cry. Let me go cry in Modelo.
Let's go. Hey, this is my boy Con, and today is his first show of the year in what 3 years?
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
And here's the car. Look at that. Bam. Alright, so we got 2 more homies that showed up. There they are. Yeah! Wait. Yo. Hey, come here. One each.
Street time.
Treat time. Trick or treat. Trick or treat, motherfucker. Trick or treat. This motherfucker drink 2. He drink 2, bro.
I've been drinking rum tipsy.
Yeah. Drink it now, right now.
This is crazy. This is like 2 shots.
Fire, bro.
That's 1 shot.
Bro, that shit goes slow as hell, bro. You gotta suck that shit like a nipple. And all your primos. Hey, cheers, boy, cheers. Aw. Boy, whoa. What the fuck is going on? Looking thick.
You guys can eat.
Yeah, because I'm in the fields.
Oh yeah, look at it.
So the show is starting to fill up. We're trying to get everything situated. We still got about 20-30 more cars coming. Slow down the music. Got to kick everybody out. Do fire marshal checks and stuff. You know how that goes. And then we get the show on the road. It is looking fire in here. Let me just look at some of these cars. You got Cons. Long time making. It's been like his body work costs more than my car. Tells you how much he loves pushing it. You got race car Porsches over here. This dude made the whole stadium smell like E85. Straight up tequila, man. Y'all probably seen this RW before. Filling up. Got Battle Gang booth back here. Sorry about that. Everybody's blow drying their car because it's raining outside. This Evo reminds me of the old build, blue and white Regas. Shit, pretty fire. Pretty dope Stinger back here. My man finally showed up. We got Mandy's MK4. We got Jay's NSX. It's a beautiful R8. You got Eric doing his thing. That's Mandy. That's Jay. You got Kevin's TRD Camry. That's him right there. Oh, so we got a new splitter from Race Bread with the end plates. Fire. Our Greg's car. We got Chris's Carbon Z backdrop. And some of the other spectators' cars that I do not know their names. Not a bad 9th gen. Pretty cool. Love the color. You got Dylan with Car Drugs. Fire. What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
How are you?
Just in the middle of my sale.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
No, you're chilling.
Oh, there's a cassette stand out here. Cool. What's up, bro? Pretty good. You got Kenny Ballas S2. What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
Hey, love the new wheels, man. First time seeing it.
Girl, why the hell?
What are they, by 11s? Damn.
They said my 11, no, 7. So 45, 35.
Pretty fire on the Millennium Jade. TVs, fire. Ooh, this is fire. What kit is this?
The Street Hunter.
That's what I thought it was. I didn't want to get it wrong. That's what I asked. Fire. We got lower legends out here. We gotta check out the homies cars. Boy Ish. Ishmael Ortega. There he is. Roll down your window, dog. Hunter. Pan number over Speed Hunter. I said what I said. Jay.
What's up, people?
Hey, this is probably your best event in the Carolinas so far.
So far, the quality's crazy.
Fucking crazy. Yeah, because I'm finally here.
He wished.
Oh, damn. It would be better if we had a red S1000.
I could have drove it.
Why didn't you then?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you could have done this and then not do it.
It's the ice on
It's the ice, bro. No.
You gotta keep changing.
So I
Bro,
brought the chains.
you gotta quit wearing ice, bro. You gotta scare all the way all the people.
Damn.
I like the one that feels natural. You can do that. Did you get that?
Definitely got that
Did you
shit,
get
bro.
that? Don't cut that out.
Yeah, the show's about to start. We are a few minutes away from starting. It's gonna be cool, and let's get the show on the road. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so the show is officially started and it is a full house. It is insane, probably North Carolina's biggest indoor show at the moment. So let's look at everybody behind me. I know, it's crazy. There's still a line out the door. Wild. you I wasn't lying. That was wild. That's a shit ton of people. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's go. We'll see you on the base.
Cheers, guys. Hey.
All right, guys, so they are now doing awards. It's been a long ass day. Yo, today was just great. Everything turned out well. They're doing awards. Jay's doing his thing. Dora's handling the music. I'm hungry. I've been on a diet lately. That's surprising to say, right? I've been on a diet lately. But yeah, I haven't got to eat all day. Fucking hungry. Yeah, so we're gonna clean up. Maybe whenever everything's died down, I can do better shots with the cars and stuff. I did a lot of time lapses, which was really cool. I should have done it earlier. I kind of did a lot mid-show already. But yeah, thank y'all for coming out. If y'all watching this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you guys haven't attended any indoor events, you guys should. It's really eye-opening, really cool. If you guys showed up to this event, y'all made this event possible. I mean, it's so cool. The cars here are just wonderful. I mean, just look at that F05, big and not F05. You don't see that very often. But yeah, appreciate y'all.
Magnificent.
Bro, I heard you suck dick for a living.
You said what?
What?
You said I eat ass for a living?
Sure.
Because I do that too.
I mean, whatever.
And I suck dick.
And?
470-84.
There we go. All right, say hi to the camera.